guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. I thought I was recording and I wasn't, so I apologize. I took some square wire. This is just 20 gauge, and I made a framework of 1 by 2, just like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here, make sure that it's as close to even as possible. And I'm going to give that a pinch, and now we're going to straighten that out. There we go. Now we're going to add some super glue. So now we're going to get the rest of this here. Okay, we're going to let that set. Now we need to make a top part that will hold the logs. I'm just thinking. So that will be that part there. And this will be a leg. Get that. Get that flat right there. Well, okay, so now get that straight. Gonna make the other leg. And hopefully I guesstimated that right. Let's check it. Ooh, that's really close. I did pretty good. Okay, so now Hi guys, I'm back. I just went up to my screen to shut it off, and it shut off on me. My screen was black. So what I did was I just continued on until I got it all super glued together. And now we're going to paint this black. All right, so I'll finish painting this off camera, and then I will seal it so that the paint doesn't chip off really fast. And then we will go down to the fireplace and fill this with logs. So we'll see you in a second. Okay, here is the grate. And now we will put some logs in there so it will all be all ready for a fire. What's that look like? That looks nice. I think I can live with that. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. So give me a like and a share, and we will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.